sweet, but I walk with steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen, gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system tries. We hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with jazz will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system tries. We hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Selassie I, guide I and I. Dub it low, chant it loud. Roots vibration shake the cloud. From Zion gate to ocean shore, we sing what Babylon ignored. Granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. From ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye.
The sound of the sea, palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high, no worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand, freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody, feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore, smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go, moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea, as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside, together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Yeah, yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony.
Sun come up, Beijing. Jah give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live. For all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne. Just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure. Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing. Me walk with Jah in everything. Yes, Jah. Me rise and cling. Me nah check phone. Me check the breeze. Me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones. Say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow. Me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace. Let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground. Me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. Nyabinghi beat beneath sunrise. The echo roll where eagle flies. Chimes like angels greet the day. Jah light rise, me trot his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car. But me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way. With one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep, me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie. Just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes, Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly.
no follow man-made rule. Them build a system to keep we fool. But I read the signs and seek the sound of roots and wisdom underground. With dreadlocks flying in the breeze, I walk with honor, live in peace. No violence in this heart of mine, just truth and rhythm in a time. I'm a rebel with the pride, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, just hold I near. So I rise and I chant, with every breath I give thanks. They try to divide me with skin and flag, but we come from the same old rag. From Africa to every shore, Jah children can't ignore. I rise above illusion, don't feed the beast of confusion. My revolution, soft and slow, like rivers under moonlight flow. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. One light, one love, one flame. I don't march for gold or fame. Na 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 na. Lion heart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. With a healing plan, Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. Still I chant, still I this land is holy. Every step a prayer. Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath my feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah give and it me keep. Yes, my soul it read.
Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find my temple in the trees, me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown, me hear Jah voice in river sound. And every raindrop falling down, it bless again this sacred ground. Sacred ground, me kneel and pray before me work, before me play. Me plant me seed with overstand. The soil is Jah's, not just me hand. Oh Jah, me feel the land. Let the dub rise like mountain fog. Let the chime sing with croak of frog. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when me pass, me ask one plea: bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone, just earth and breeze and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. Me no own but me protect with all my soul and full respect. Yes, Jah, me walk direct. Before you run, stop. Listen where you stand. Every land is holy land.
Silence not empty, it full of life. Still waters run deep. Me sit by the river early morn, watch how the mist from earth is born. No voice me hear but spirit speak. Still waters run so strong, so meek. Them say me quiet, them can't see the fire me hold internally. Me no shout low, me soul no leak. Me trust Japa, still and deep. Still waters running deep in I. Calm and clear beneath the sky. No storm can shake, no wind can sweep. My heart stays strong, me roots run deep. Yes, Jah, my peace me keep. Them chase the flash, but watch the flow. Them move too fast, me choose fi grow. Like river bend round rock and tree. Me no resist, me move wisely. Me learn from moon, from tide, from rain. That strength comes slow, not born from pain. But carry stillness when others weak. Cause still waters run deep. Still waters running deep and wide. A holy stream where Jah reside. Me carry love, me carry grace. Me walk with silence, not the race. So Jah, me feel your face. Dub echo like river breath, chimes like birds in mountain depth. Nyabinghi drums in gentle sweep, but chant for those whose waters deep. So when my gone and world grow loud, just find me not among the crowd. My spirit dwell in morning steep, where still waters sing and keep. Me no need throne, me no need praise. Me just give thanks for all my days. And all me leave, me never weep. Just peace that run still and deep. we belong. Bit full of life, still waters run to, till this is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong. Easy now, breathe slow, like still waters we grow. Deep, deep within Jah flow, me sit beside the silent stream. Jah show our life beyond the dream. No noise, no race, no stage to keep, but wisdom planted steady deep. Me not compete, me just receive. Me learn to grow, me learn to leave. This peace me find not come from speech, but from the depth no man can reach. Still waters run deep, so still I stay. With roots in truth, me won't decay. No wind can shake, no storm can sweep. Jah hold me soul in waters deep. Yes, my spirit run deep. Them praise the wave that crash and rise, but me give thanks for quiet skies. For in the hush me hear Jah tone. In stillness me no feel alone. The move for sure, my move for grow. Me trod where sacred rivers flow. Not loud but firm, my soul stay wide. Like river calm, I trod inside. Still waters run deep, them carry light. Beneath the moon, beneath the night. My heart beats slow, my thoughts run steep. Me walk with fire, me flow like creep. Ooh, Jah, still waters speak. Dub echo roll through empty space. Nyabinghi pulse, slow like grace. Let the breeze unveil what's true. Still waters, Jah flow through you. So if the world too loud for bear, find the silence, Jah is there. No need for proof, no need for boast. Just sit and sip the Holy Ghost. Me no live high, me live wise. Me no chase clouds, me bless my skies. My soul no shallow, my thoughts no cheap. Me live like river still and deep. Still waters run deep, me not drift fast. Me trod slow, so love can last. No fame, no flash, just roots Marie. My faith grows strong in places deep. Yes, Jah, my soul swim deep. Jah, me spirit run deep. Me flow without fear, me grow without noise. Still waters, still rise.
Trotting still, I move like river through the land. No crown, no throne, just open hand. Me carry peace, me carry flame. Me no seek hype, me no seek fame. Them never see the tears I cry, but still me rise and reach the sky. For in the silence Jah reveal a strength that Babylon can't steal. Silent warrior, move
so high, and I need crowd to chant my name. Me walk the hills where roots remain. Them run with noise and chase the flash. Me build my home from earth and ash. In a boat to pressure deep. Me chant when all the world is asleep. A soldier of the sacred kind. With every breath, me free my mind. Silent warrior, heart like drum. Step by step, me overcome. Me no shout, but I survive. In every beat, I feel alive. Ooh, Jah, give our power inside. You don't need no sword to fight. Just hold your faith and shine your light. When world grow cold and shadows wide, silent warriors still rise. So let them dance with vanity. Me walk with love and clarity. Me hold me ground when storm arrive. Cause Rootsman know how to survive. They don't see, but Jah do see. The fire burn inside of me. Me walk with humble lion pride. And all my battles fought inside. Silent warrior, me trod alone. But Jah prepare me stepping stone. No fear, no mask, no lie. Just soul and sky. Selassie I, still I. Silent but mighty high. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak.
Just speak. Nothing noise. Nothing noise.
Me sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound. Just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word. My heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face. Just breeze that touched my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me hear with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd. But Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still. And there me find Jah holy will. Each gust did bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure. It come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key. The truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave. Nyabinghi chant true, leaf and wave. Chimes ring out the soul within. Me overstand from wind begin. So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might. It shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spend. Just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flows from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear. It tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe, yeah. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside.
Shaped by rain, me walk with joy, me walk through pain. The voice of elders in me ear still guide my steps when path not clear. My skin may change, my clothes may tear, but soul stay true, Jah always near. Me no forget where me begin, cause roots run deep beneath my skin. Roots run through me strong and wide. Shame, them change my name, but truth remains, still burn like flame. Me call my granny, me call my king. Me chant the line from which me spring. My language crack, but still it breathe. My culture buried, but underneath it rise like seed from fallen tree. Cause roots run on eternally. Roots run through me deep and bold. Fully wool. So tell the youth, don't walk alone. Your blood is book, your skin a throne. The knotted crown from colony, but where the roots Jah give to me. And when we're gone, my spirit rise through banyan tree and open skies. Cause I and I may truly be a branch of one eternal tree. Roots run through me, through our mind, through every thought, through every sign. It holds me firm, it sets us free. Me blessings for no roots run through me. Yes, I eternally. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb.
Before we move forward, we give thanks behind. 'Cause without roots, no tree can